Have you ever felt like your golf swing should be powerful and smooth, but something as small as wrist instability keeps ruining the shot? That's exactly why a product called Swing Lock Pro has been getting attention online lately, and many golfers are asking whether it's actually helpful or just another overhyped gadget. Golf is a sport where even a slight movement in the wrong direction can affect accuracy, distance, and overall performance, and for many players, the wrist plays a huge role in maintaining a consistent swing. Swing Lock Pro is designed as a compression wrist support that aims to keep the wrist stabilized in what's considered an optimal position during the swing while still allowing natural movement so the player doesn't feel restricted. The idea behind it is fairly simple. By providing support and alignment, it may help golfers maintain better control over their club, potentially leading to more consistent shots and reducing strain on the wrist during long practice sessions or full 18-hole rounds. Some golfers are interested in this kind of support because wrist discomfort or instability can quickly affect confidence on the course, especially when trying to generate power without losing control. On the other hand, products like this often raise questions about whether wearable support can really influence technique, since swing mechanics usually depend on practice, training, and proper form rather than accessories alone. Supporters say that compression-style gear can help with stability and awareness of wrist positioning, while others believe improvement ultimately comes from refining your swing fundamentals. Because of that, Swing Lock Pro tends to attract mixed curiosity from golfers who are looking for ways to feel more consistent during their swing but also want to know if the claims match real-world performance. So before deciding whether Swing Lock Pro is worth considering, it's important to look closely at how it works, what it claims to do, and whether it truly provides practical value for golfers trying to improve their control and comfort on the course.